Alright, just want to give you a short video on calculating your miles per gallon and your cost per mile driven, and kind of explain why you probably do want to keep track of these things. Let's say you want to find out if it's better to run 87 octane, 89 octane, 91 octane, maybe E85, whatever. Sure, you can kind of guesstimate, but it's best to know exactly so you can figure out which one is costing you the most. You are going to need to reset your trip odometer each time you fill up and write down the miles that were driven. That's just a given. So if you're not doing that already, you need to start doing that. Reset it next time you fill up, and then each time thereafter, write down the miles and then reset it again. So miles per gallon is real simple. It's miles driven divided by the gallons it took to fill up. So if you're keeping track all the time, it's real easy. Miles divided by gallons. The cost per mile driven is really as simple too. It's the cost that it was to fill up the tank divided by the miles. That's it. If you don't know, then obviously you could do the cost per gallon times the gallons and then divided by the miles. But that'll give you your cost per mile. Now with electric vehicles, I feel like it's not really going to be an easy thing to keep track of, and I think that's intentional. I don't think they want you to be able to compare how much is it costing you to drive an electric vehicle compared to driving a gas or diesel. If you have the capability, then what you need to do is track the kilowatt hours that are pumped into your electric vehicle. I don't know what equipment that would require, but that's what it's going to take. And basically, you're going to need to know the cost of your kilowatt hours. If there's a delivery fee or any other fees or taxes added onto your electric, multiply the kilowatt hours by the costs plus whatever other fees and taxes would go to that. That's going to be your cost, and then divide that by the miles, and that's going to give you your cost per mile. There's not really a miles per gallon. You could do miles per kilowatt hour or something along those lines, again, if you have the ability to track the kilowatt hours. Remember also, with an electric vehicle, unlike a gas vehicle, it's losing power just sitting, okay? So if you charge it up today and it just sits for a week, nobody touches it, nobody runs anything on it, a week from now, you plug it back in, you can probably charge it up again because they lose a little bit of power just sitting. So your cost per mile driven, you need to take that into consideration too. So if you're having to charge it up every night, maybe you're not getting as efficient as you think. Anyway, short video, I'll put the formulas up. Hope it helps you keep track. Math is fun, right?